Tina Kaufman. The file number is 241968. Ms. Kaufman is here with Mr. Stickley, the Chief Public Defender. Autumn Kiefer is here. Mr. Stickley, here's what I understand. The defendant was here today for a probation review with her probation officer, Autumn Kiefer. Autumn smelled alcohol, gave the defendant a breath test, and the result was 0.087.
Correct, at 9:40 a.m.
And she drove here. So it is a condition of her probation that, I'll just read it the way it's in the order. She was sentenced to 93 days, credit 2, 91 days to serve, and I deferred a few. So she has 88 jail days hanging over her head. It is a condition of her probation that she take a test upon demand of any police or probation officer. Refusing a test, missing a test, or a positive test will cause an immediate 1-day jail term and whether potential probation violation consequence. So
a May 26 crash with a 0.294 BAC, followed by another arrest on August 7th with a 0.244 BAC. Even after one case was dismissed as a break, she was given probation with hopes she'd succeed in sobriety court. But after moving to Indiana, she violated probation, again arrested for drunk driving on June 19th. The judge calls her a danger to the public, describing a severe alcohol disorder and a continued pattern of driving intoxicated.
She was on bond on the earlier case when she got arrested on the second case. Prosecutor dismissed the second case. It was a freebie, and she was placed on probation on this case under the theory that she would be a great sobriety court candidate. However, she moved to Indiana, and we were unable to place her in our sobriety court program because she resides in Indiana. She was placed on a traditional probation. She got arrested for drunk driving again on June 19th in LaGrange County, Indiana, has an arraignment in LaGrange County, Indiana on June 30th. So she is a danger to the public. I don't know what her blood alcohol was. She has a terrible alcohol substance abuse disorder, and she continues to drive. And this is dangerous.
At this point, the judge stops the hearing entirely. Tina is legally intoxicated right now, making it impossible to continue. He orders a contempt finding, issues a probation violation, and has her taken into custody on the spot. Her next hearing is set for 9:00 a.m. the following day, once she's sober. The judge also warns the jail to watch for possible withdrawal symptoms and refers her for a new investigation for driving to court drunk.
Can't really do anything when the person's legally drunk to try to make a record or talk about things. We need to wait till you're sober. About 9:00 tomorrow. I'll give you an order. Violation of probation. I don't want to make sure she doesn't get out before tomorrow. I'll order 2 days jail, credit 0. 2 days to serve. Further hearing 6/25/25 at 9 a.m. Ms. Kaufman, do you have pets?
I do.
What do you have?
I have 2 little Pomeranians.
You might want to find somebody to take care of your animals. All right, you're going to jail. I'll see you tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. when you're not at 0.08, and we'll talk further about this.
Your Honor, I'm sure there's protocols at the jail, but just to put everybody on alert, I am concerned about the possibility of some withdrawal issues in the next 24 hours. So if that can be noted or something, make sure that we keep an eye out for.
All right, we'll do that. Michelle's in agreement. Also, you're going to be referred for a new criminal investigation for driving to court while intoxicated. You also were a daily marijuana user. I don't know if you've got marijuana in your system as well or not. But we can't keep going this way. You're gonna kill somebody or yourself or both. So I'll talk with you tomorrow. All right. Thank you, Mr. Stickler.
Sir, PB and contempt?
Yes. All right, that's a very sad situation. That's a circumstance where she probably never